Hi guys, welcome to MK Sportscars. It's open day time tomorrow on Saturday the 1st of February. Not only have we got some amazing cars downstairs to look at, so if you want to get into the range, know about the RX-5, the Cup 200s, Busa, Duratex, Mazda cars, then that's great. But in addition to that, we have got up here on the mez, so if you're going to come upstairs here, we've got a little auto jumble going on really. We've got lots of seconds, we've got some new stock, discontinued lines, loads of stuff. What have we got here? We've got wishbones. I mean, literally tons of wishbones from Mazdas. I've got rear uprights. I've got track buttons, drive shafts, bodywork kits. I've got full kits here. These are literally stuff that we've got lying around that is a full orange kit. I've got a full British Racing green kit. We're still setting up, so apologies. We've got wheels, CXRs, we've got brand new Pro Race 1.2s, LTs these are, and a Pro Race 1.2 standard. Got some slightly used tyres, some slightly blemished wings. We've got some wheels and tyres here. These are all going to be very cheap, guys, honest. It's at cash sales, raid your pity banks, get them, rattle them out, come and find a little bargain. We've got master cylinders, brand new Type 9 gearbox. I've got some used bodywork. I've got lots of used bodywork because look at this lot. Some of it's used, some of it's second, some of it's like good carbon stuff. We've got carbon rear arches, we've got carbon bulkheads there, carbon front arches, seats, some dashboards, fans, sumps. If you wanted a Busa clock, got Busa Gen 1 and Gen 2 clocks. I've got a Hayabusa wet sumps. I've got a ZX14 billet sumps here. I've got standard sumps. I've got nose cones. I've got fuel tanks, fuel pumps, exhaust systems, digi-dashes there. I've got, I don't know what this radiator came off with, but a radiator with fans. It's all going to be cheap. Want to move your car around? We don't need these anymore. Got plenty of these kicking about. Some steering wheels, some steel seat runners, lights. I don't know, used bits here that are all stuff. It's a Sierra steering column, rocking horse poo these days. Those are. I think we've got a few bits of them kicking about. Lights, some cables, electric water pumps, some ramps. I don't know if you might need a set of ramps. It's perfectly good. I've got a full wiring loom for a striker there with the lights all ready to go. I've got some air boxes for boosters. Up in a centre tunnel bit. I've got these are brand new, ready for painting. Front wings. There must be like 8 or 9 sets there, brand new, ready to go. Wings we don't make anymore. These are CSRs with the tabs on, black and white ones there. Lots of bits here, but wow, so much stuff. Come and have a rummage. Everybody loves a little auto jumble. You can dig around and find something. Oh, we've got radiators over here, look. 70mm, 55s, 32s, got full bodywork sets. Everything here. Loads and loads and loads of stuff for you to come and have a little dig around. And if you're into an, oh, down there, brand new Mustang gearbox. It's suitable for the EcoBoost engine, the 2.3, it's a 6-speed gearbox. That's going, never used it, and the alternator, and actually all the stuff here to fit in it, really. This is all EcoBoost. You've even got the ECU for it there, all the pipe work, the intercooler, the whole shebang there for it really. So if that's something you're interested in, come and see us here, come and sign yourself a little bargain, come and see the cars down there, have a cup of tea, have a cup of coffee with us, whichever you want, and we look forward to seeing you. So it's from 10 o'clock till 2 o'clock, Saturday the 1st of February. Look forward to seeing you guys.